Hi, I'm Kenny from EcoWagon. Here we are in beautiful sunny Cornwall. I'd like to introduce you to the all-new Sprinter Expo Plus medium wheelbase. This vehicle is available in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. It's got some crazy options, this van has. It's got the HY4 self-leveling weigh-in rams. You've got your Rhino wheels. This is all lightweight core board, so this vehicle actually only weighs in at 3,100 kilos. So you've got a 400 kilo payload. You can also upplate it if you want. If we move inside, basically you've got everything in this van. You've got air conditioning, you've got 5 screens, windows, our own blinds and everything, lush leather upholstery. This area here, basically, these slide forward here, nice and simple. The cushions move across and then you've got a massive double bed. We used this for the first time the other weekend and it was just so much. We almost had to send a postcard to each other or text each other, me and my other half. So yeah, in the back here in the lockers, we've got these Zuma digital Bluetooth streaming speakers, which are also LED lights. Again, really neat things. You can stream direct to them or you can play Bluetooth through your phone, whatever like that. And then for your control unit here, we've got this Garmin interface. So basically you control the whole van from here. You've got all your fresh water waste, everything. You've got your toilet, water pump, fridge, everything in the whole van is controlled. It will show you how much power you're using, how much amp hours you've got left, how much you're getting off the solar panel. We've got 250 watts, so 240 watts in this van. We're getting 10 amps at the minute off the solar, which is pretty good, you know. And then obviously you control your lights from here, inverter on, off, your awning as well. It also duplicates on an app on the phone. So you can control everything on there from your phone. It's got electric wind out awning, so you can stand outside, watch your awning as you're pulling it out, pushing it in. We've put everything in this van. Under this seat, we've got basically about £8,000 worth of Victron gear under here, with all the servo, the Orion XS's, everything, MultiPlus 3 kilowatt. It's like a space lab under there, basically. And then moving over here, you've got your sink with your hot and cold running water. You've got your induction hob. Up here you've got your iNet, which is your hot water shower. And you can control that from your phone, so you don't actually have to be in the van to control it, which is pretty cool. And then down here because we've got so much lithium, we've got 560 amp hours of lithium in this one, all Victron batteries again. You've got your induction hob and you've got your hot point combination air fryer, oven, grill, microwave as well, which is a really neat bit of kit, you know. And then there's lots of storage. You've got all these big drawers here, big drawer there, and then all these going up, and they're all premium high-end kitchen drawers. So what we've done in this van to maximize the shower space, we've come up with this solution here. So the bed on this side is 6'3", whereas the bed on this side is 5'10". But to enable us to get a bigger shower, we've overhung it with these nice EcoWagon curves here. And then if you come into the shower here, you can see it's a really big shower, basically. What we've done is we've hidden the toilet away under there. We'll show that later. You've got your storage here for your toothbrush or toiletries, whatever. You've got another cupboard there for all your shampoos and everything. What we've done with the shower is, rather than just fit a shower point, we leave that up to the customer. So what we've got is a tap that pulls out like this, and then it can clip on everywhere. But from using the van again, and speaking to people, we worked out that the most practical way in a camper van is just to use the shower like this, because you're not at home, you've not got endless supplies of water, so you're better off just rinsing yourself down like that, and then it just slips back in here. Again, these are all Ocelati, so they're all marine grade, so they're really high quality. And then you've got a little bowl here for washing your teeth and whatever else there. And then round this side, you have in here, we've hidden the toilet away, so you've got the Clesana toilet which is a dry toilet system. These are amazing. I mean, we tried this at the weekend. Brilliant. I mean, you basically do your business, it seals it in the bag. You get 26 uses out a roll of polythene bags, and then you just take them out, they cut them off, you store in there for a few days, you can store them, and then you just pop them in the bin, in any rubbish bin basically. Yeah, amazing bit of kit again. And obviously you save on water because you're not using all your water. And it's nice and neat out the way there, like that. And then you've got more storage up above here. You've got a nice deep storage locker there. And then you've got a massive storage locker. We actually managed to get all our bedding in this one here, up here. And then you've got the big fridge with a little freezer compartment. And then the base fan itself is really high specs, a 190 horsepower. It's got obviously the captain seats, it's got sat nav, it's got the 360 camera. I mean, they're a big vehicle, but it still drives like a big car. It's lovely to drive, really nice, with a genuine Mercedes swivel seats. And then you've got your controller down here for your HY4. So this thing's got, you can control up, down, all manually, or you've got water tank to drain the water tank, it'll tip. And then you've got auto level. It's brilliant because the van doesn't rock. Let's go around the back and have a look in the garage. So one of the benefits of having the U-shaped lounge is you've got this big storage space here for awnings, deck chairs, whatever, barbecues, whatever you want in the back there. Underneath, or if you come around this way, probably should have wore shoes. You've got your fill point for your water, so it works as a hot water shower. So you use the same in and out. You basically put a hose lock clip on there, and you can fill up from there. You turn it to shower, and you use it as a shower as well. Which again, you can stick a sucker on the side of the van and you can have a shower outside. Ouch, ouch. Well, there we are, lovely and air-conned in here. So one of the beauties of this conversion is the rear lounge area. I mean, we looked at doing fixed beds and everything, but if there is just two of you, then this is great. I mean, there's a little table sits here. There's a room for 4 or 5 people to sit around a table, or you can just sit up and relax. I mean, in the UK, weather's not always great. Sometimes if you're abroad, it's too hot, you just want to whack the aircon on. It's the best use of the space for us again. At EcoWagon, we always like to make practical vans that look amazing and work brilliant, and this is what we've come up with so far, and we are really pleased with it. If any of you want any more information, feel free to contact us. There's more details on the website. Thanks for coming and watching. Goodbye.